In this video, we will see what is the actual mechanism behind the break and continue statements. For that, we will first cover the statement that is the break statement. Break is nothing but totally make a jump out of a loop. What does it actually performs? It jump out of the loop means does not enter into that loop again. Means it is known as the early exit from a program. How it is an early exit? For example, you are typing the number from 1 to 10 and if there is a condition like number is equal to 5, in that case you will have to break the condition means you don't have to print the remaining numbers again. Then in such case you are using the break statement. When a break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately exited and the program continues with the statement immediately following the loop. What does it actually means? For example, there is a loop like for I equals to 1, I less than or equal to 10 and I plus plus. And here you are printing like printf or you are checking like if I is equal to 5 then break. Otherwise, printf percent d I. Okay. And then this is for example the void main. And after this for loop, you are printing like printf break encountered. Okay. And then completing the main section. What does it actually means? For example, for I equals to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. This is a for loop having the numbers from 1 to 10 and printing the same and so. And you are making one condition like if I is equals to 5 mean I become 5 you have to break means you don't have to print the numbers from 5 to next. So if I equals to 5 now your I is 1. Okay, starting point I equals to 1. Is 1 is equal to 5? No. Break is not encountered, I is executed. Means 1 is printed. Same like 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is printed. Now, when 5 is encountered, means when I become 5, now I is 5. Is 5 is equal to 5? Yes. Then break will be encountered. Then the remaining for loop and the remaining statements of that for loop will not going to be executed and it will jump out of the loop. Means the I from 5 to 10 will not going to be executed because the break has encountered. Then the statements following that loop, it will jump out of the loop, not the program. Then the remaining statements will be executed like break is encountered and here the condition is satisfied. We will take another one example to demonstrate the break statement or mechanism behind the break statement. For example, we will create a main function that is the void main. Then we will create one variable like integer r. Then we will take a loop like I equals to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus 10. In the inner inside of the loop, we are simply printing the I and here we are making the condition like if I is equal to 3, then you have to apply the break. Otherwise, you have to print like printf star star star. Okay, and you are completing the for loop and completing the main section. What does this statement indicates us or this program demonstrate us? That is, when I goes to 1, it will be simply printed 1. If I is equal to 1, means I is equal to 3, means 1 is equal to 3. No, means no any break will be executed. Next statement will be printed. That is the star. Then it goes to the next iteration, means coming to the next it will plus plus. Then I become 2. It will print the 2. If 2 is equal to 3, no, it will not encounter the break. then printf will be executed, that is 3 stars will be printed. Now I become 3, it will be printed. But carefully see here, 3 is equal to 3. Then break is encountered and no any statement after that will be executed. Means your output will stops here completely and it will jump out of the loop. So this is the mechanism behind the break statement.